Dear home buyers and neighbors, welcome to Frank Liu Open House. I'm the Avatar Service of Frank Liu team. We're proudly presenting this beautiful home at 14232 Lautrec Drive, San Jose 95135. North-facing and Chaboya like a model. Charming and spacious end-unit two-story Shapell townhome with scenic hillside views and ideal location. Nestled in the desirable Foothills neighborhood, this light-filled two-story townhome offers panoramic rolling hill views from nearly every room. With 3 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, this home features an open floor plan perfect for modern living and entertaining. All bedrooms are upstairs, including a serene primary suite with double sinks and a generous walk-in closet. Upgrades include hardwood flooring, carpet, fresh interior paint, dishwasher, microwave, washer/dryer. Enjoy year-round comfort with centralized heating and air conditioning. The attached garage includes a convenient washer and dryer, while the beautifully landscaped front yard, lined with blooming rose bushes, adds to the home's curb appeal. Located within walking distance to top-rated schools, Matsumoto Elementary, Chaboya Middle, Evergreen Valley High, and the local library, this home combines natural beauty, functionality, and unmatched convenience. The digital flyer, which has included the virtual tour home information, disclosure reports. If you have any questions, please contact listing agent Frank Liu at 408-828-0600 or 408-313-2688 and frank.liu1268, gmail.com. Again, thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.